Hello. In this set of videos I will show how to install CodeBlocks wxWidgets and SFML graphics library. This is the set I've been using mostly last year actually. The good thing with the CodeBlocks is that it's easy to get and freely available, so it's easy to transfer projects with other people and so on. I've been quite happy with this one, and I can show. But before we start installing the first one, which is CodeBlocks and the compiler, I will show how this end result will look like about after all of these. So here is a picture. So here is a simple game I just created recently, and it's a ping pong game where two players can play via internet. So it's so here is the graphics here. So this is the SFML graphics library used here, and there is a wxWidgets graphical user interface here, the buttons and edit boxes and everything, and this is done with CodeBlocks, which is here. Okay, let's start this. And the first thing we need to do is to get the CodeBlocks. So let me copy that here. We're gonna find CodeBlocks. Downloads. Binaries. And for my machine it will be this one. This is the one I'm gonna take from here. So let's go here. And then getting the file from here. And the downloading just finished, and now we can execute this installation program. And now the installation is just about to finish. Okay, and do you want to run? Yes. Okay, and it detected this GCC compiler here. And but the thing is that we want to install another compiler instead of this one, because a year ago when I was doing this, I noticed that there was some problems with the default compiler. So what we want next is, we want, instead of GCC, we want this version of GCC. So let's go there next and use this one instead. So I'm already here. So we go here, and then originally obviously it goes here, and then from here we go to downloads, and on my machine I will take this one. And saving the file. And the installation finished, and now just we can execute this. and from here we want to create a new one. Create new one, and I have 32-bit. Obviously if you have 64 you might want this one, but I have 32 still here, so I will select this one, and this is a good part here. And now the tdm-gcc has finished, and we just press the finish button, and let's now test this thing. And as we can see, it's here, so we want to use this compiler instead of the original. So let's set up that one next. So we go to settings and compilers, and here it's gonna be here. So this is the default compiler. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna choose exactly the same ones but from the other folder. I have here is my version, so I can check here that we have exactly the same. Oh, let me first let me first set this one like that, and then these ones, yes, bin, and now from bin need to find the corresponding Okay, I just checked all this, and the only thing I changed here is that I have here make. So these are actually definitely relative with this one. So these settings are almost the same. I just changed the last one. And one more thing here, what I've been doing here is that, so here is the how many processors it's using when it's compiling. So if you have like 4 processors, then you can put 4 here. I have 2, so I might want to put 2 here, but I put 1 here for now. Okay, so let's now test and create a test project to see that this works. Like console project. And then I will compile this from here, and no errors, and it runs. And let's check the release as well. That one also run. Okay, so this is the first video, and in the next video we will install wxWidgets. Thank you for watching.